Rebar Tools Module Function Introduction. Edit Rebar. Rebar Offset. This command creates an offset copy of rebar along a selected baseline. Click the Rebar Offset function. Set the rebar drawing parameters. Select the object to be offset. Offset rebar creation completed. Segmental Offset. This command creates an offset copy of rebar along a selected single-segment baseline. Click the Segmental Offset function. Set the rebar drawing parameters. Select the object to be offset. Single-segment offset rebar completed. Join Rebar. This command joins selected rebars and fillets the corner. Click the Join Rebar function. Select the bars to be joined in sequence. Rebar connection completed. Rebar through connection. This command offsets one of two parallel bars and joins it to the other, forming a single continuous bar. Click the Rebar through connection function. Select the bars to be joined in sequence. After selecting, right-click to confirm. Specify the position of steel bar. Enter the rebar number. Rebar through connection completed. Rebar table. This command queries the following tables and data: beam reinforcement ratio of beam slab steel concrete strength. Click the Rebar table function. Toggle between modules to query different contents. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.